Welcome to On-Demand Psychiatry. In this demo, I will show you how the platform works using one real psychiatric case from start to finish. We will go from decision-making, treatment planning, to documentation, follow-up care, psychotherapy documentation, and patient education in one workflow. Trying On-Demand Psychiatry is simple. Open the link and click Register Now. A window appears. Just enter your name, email, and create a password. Then click Register. An OTP will be sent to your email. Enter it to verify your account. And that's it. You're logged in. Once you're in, you can begin using the platform immediately. Once you log in, you enter the clinical workspace. This is where you can type, paste, or dictate patient information and ask the platform for a treatment plan, psychiatric evaluation, follow-up note, psychotherapy note, or patient education. Let's start with a common outpatient case. This is a 35-year-old male referred for psychiatric evaluation with depression, anxiety, chronic insomnia, and poor attention and concentration. He is currently taking sertraline 100 mg daily, bupropion XL 150 mg every morning, alprazolam 1 mg twice daily as needed, zolpidem 10 mg at bedtime, and lisinopril 10 mg daily. He has a history of alcohol misuse and is asking whether his medications should be increased. This is exactly the kind of case where treatment can become complicated if you react to symptoms without reviewing the full clinical picture. There are two easy ways to work in the platform. You can paste the important clinical notes directly into the system, or you can dictate the case using voice input. In practice, you only need the key clinical facts, the symptoms, medication list, relevant history, risks, and the question you want answered. Now we ask the platform the core clinical question. What is the safest and most evidence-based treatment plan for this patient? Within seconds, the system generates a structured psychiatric treatment protocol. This is where the platform becomes clinically powerful. It does not just list medication options. It identifies the main clinical priorities, flags unsafe combinations, highlights what should be avoided, and lays out a practical next-step treatment strategy. For this patient, the system immediately recognizes the risks of alprazolam and zolpidem in the context of alcohol misuse history and sedative burden. Rather than pushing the clinician towards simply increasing controlled or sedating medications, it supports a safer long-term strategy and organizes the reasoning clearly. Once the treatment plan is generated, the next step is documentation. Instead of writing a psychiatric evaluation from scratch, I can simply ask the platform to generate a complete psychiatric evaluation based on the case and the treatment recommendations. Within seconds, the platform creates a structured psychiatric evaluation with the history of present illness, mental status examination, diagnosis, formulation, assessment, and treatment plan. Now let's move to the follow-up visit. The patient returns and reports mild improvement in anxiety, somewhat better sleep onset, but still wakes early. He also reports mild morning grogginess and states that he has been off alcohol for the past 2 weeks. Now I simply enter the follow-up update and ask the platform to create a structured follow-up SOAP note. If psychotherapy was also provided during the visit, I can add that as well. For example, I can ask the platform to generate an add-on psychotherapy note documenting CBT-based interventions for anxiety. The platform then creates a structured psychotherapy note with the modality, goals, interventions, patient response, progress, and next steps. Now let's create patient education. Instead of giving the patient a generic handout, I can ask the platform to generate a personalized education note in simple language. The output explains why the medication plan may be changing, how the medications help, what side effects to watch for, and when the patient should contact the doctor. Beyond this workflow, the platform can also help with drug interactions, taper protocols, lab monitoring, risk assessment, inpatient and emergency psychiatry decisions, dietary and herbal strategies, apps and digital tools, and complex psychiatric cases. So this is the core workflow of on-demand psychiatry. You log in, enter a patient case, generate evidence-based treatment guidance, create documentation, update follow-up notes, add psychotherapy documentation, and produce patient education all in one platform. It saves time, improves structure, and supports safer, more confident psychiatric care.